Oh my god, I gotta get better about filming this stuff. So I came back out here today, and I'm demoing all this woodwork. I'm holding up my fingers like quotation marks. Somebody had put in, I mean, you saw from the old picture, somebody had put in a particle board. Well, what do they call it? OSB, oriented strand board, or I like to call it oh shit board. It's bad enough people use it on walls out of the rain. Another thing entirely, people use it for flooring. But this had been rained on. It was right here. They had they cut out the window frames and the windows, and they put in that stupid wood. Anyway, so now I got these big old side windows here. I wonder what I'm going to do with them. Probably make my own frame and get some of that hurricane glass from my dad. That'll fit in there pretty good. Anyway, yeah, so I'm demoing all that out. I'm going to take all this stuff, all this out of here. Anything that's wood that's in there, it's all pretty shitty. I'm going to reuse some of the flooring and some of this. Maybe. We'll see. I'll hold on to it for now. Everything else is pretty much garbage. That'll all get shit canned. But yeah, so let's give you an idea of my progress. So this right here is my scrap piece, and I'm going to use that little spot right there. That's going to patch up the front fender I have. And then I think some of this metal on the spine here, I'll harvest that and use that to fix the other side. This whole floor is coming out. All of that closet stuff, all of it's coming out. I'm gonna keep the sink and probably the hardware, but all the wood's just gonna go. The flooring, like I said, I'll probably throw away the rotten end bits, but some of that I could probably replane and reuse. Whatever finish they've got on there looks gross. Anyway, I think they might have tried to glue it or something. Oh, shoot! Excuse me. Yeah, so I've got some extra sheet metal here. That's a 73 Buick Riviera hood. Anyway, you can see the same thing on this side. I'm going to do something with this hood. We'll see. I don't know if it's going to be related to this thing. You know, GM parts and all. I don't know if I want to use that. But anyway, the futon thingy here, that's going to go. Get all this flooring out of here. Yeah, well, that's where I'm at. My GoPro is acting funky. That's why I'm using my phone here. So the sound might not be as good. I have one of those special Sennheiser mics on my GoPro. It's why I like to use it. It sounds so much better. Yeah, so I think a buddy of mine said, look around, see if you can find a key before I go replacing the key lock. So I was like, well, I'll just demo everything and maybe there'll be a key that pops up somewhere inside here. I don't know. That's about it. Woo! About 80% done now. Got the wood floor taken out. Pulled out this rubber flooring. Looking at all the rust underneath. There's still this tar rubber stuff I gotta get up. Gotta get rid of the sink and the closet there. They're actually screwed into the body, so gotta get a drill to pull the screws out. I was just using hand tools. Anyway, this thing up here, this little drawer or cabinet or whatever, looks like it's made out of aluminum and then covered with wood. I don't know why anybody built it that way. But that's got to get unscrewed too, and that's going to come out. I didn't bring my power drill today or my screw gun, so I'll bring that next time. Also going to bring a floor scraper to get up this tar stuff, and my shop vac to clean it. But yeah, I basically got it demoed now. Got everything pulled out and got all the stuff I'm going to saved, and all the garbage put in my truck. Do a dump run there. But yeah, it's coming along. We got a little footage from the other side. I don't know, did I show you this before? Weird little spot here where it's all rotten. Super thin metal. If you poke it through there, see? I'm going to patch that up with the stuff, that extra fender that I got. Shop vac will clean all that up. I was going to try to get it started today, but I'll save that for tomorrow. There's still some stuff I pulled out. You can kind of see through it now. There's the flooring that I pulled out. There's my replacement fender. And yeah, you can see back in here. This is all going to come out tomorrow. Yeah, looks good. Whew! Alright, so still got this metal part here, this little framing. Gotta get the screw gun for that, but I did demo out all the wood. So now we're all cleared out. Lots of space in here. Plenty of space for a band to set up, right? Drummer back here. Guitar, bass, singer. Guitar. The bass player standing right there. Or over there. Guitar, singer, keys. I can fit a band in here. I mean, that's part of why I want to get rid of this shelf, to maximize the space. You know, even if you're back in the corner, you're okay. As long as you're, you know, not a giant. And when I took this floor out, I gained about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And I'm 5'10" and a half, 5'11". So we've got about 6'1" in the center, down to about 6 feet on the edges. So, yeah, plenty of headroom for 90% of human beings. And still didn't find a key, but a buddy of mine said he can get a key cut for like $60, so that's no big deal. The heating system here is pretty interesting. Not really sure if I'm going to keep it. Probably not. So, my buddy right here, he's got this 86 Grand Wagoneer, and it's on a 77 Dodge, I think it's the M500 chassis, the bread truck RV chassis, with a 440 with like, I think it was 60-some thousand miles and an automatic. And I think I might, I mean, I'm not, he asked me if I wanted it, and I, shit, 318. Turns out there's actually an auto in here, 318 auto, so maybe this thing didn't get hooked back up, because this manual transmission thing, I don't know, maybe they had that set up as an auto shifter of some sort. I don't know, it's not hooked up, so probably going to get rid of that. It's got a clutch pedal. You know, I probably won't go with a manual. An automatic would be fine in this thing. Don't really need an overdrive. Don't really need the granny either. Not with the auto. Anyway, she's all demoed out now. And I don't feel any super soft spots on the floor. Even though there's a lot of rust, it's all surface rust. I mean, you know, I guess there's a few little iffy places. I don't know, maybe I'll just, I'll lay something down on top of this. I'm not sure yet, though, but if it can hold up to my fucking nearly 400-pound body, it could hold up just about anything. Anyway, that's about it for today.